Hello, algebra students. You guys are absolutely valuable to me. Get it? Absolutely. Okay, never mind. All right, here we are at week 5, and I know you've heard by now we're not going to have school the rest of the year. So let's get this distance learning done. And if you need help, you have to let me know. I don't know if you need help if you don't tell me. I am so excited because there are several students who are now sending me requests for tutoring, for support, and I'm able to help them one-on-one. I need you to do that if you need me. This week, you're going to be learning about the quadratic formula. It's a formula that you use when you're solving quadratic equations to find solutions. You'll learn about that in the video. This is our checklist. Intro for week video 5. This is it. Watch and take notes for 9-5. I just told you about that. Don't freak out when you see the formula. It'll all be good. Just plug in the numbers. Plug it in, or plug them in, A, B, C. Okay, never mind. All right, then you're going to watch and upload. Sorry. You are going to do the Algebra Week 5 assignment, and you're going to upload that and submit your work. Make sure you show work. You guys are doing fabulous and getting better at that, and I appreciate it. And then your final thing on your list is to do BB 11 Week 5 quadratic formula. Once you've done all that, check on the checklist, submit, and I will see you guys next week. Plug it in, plug it in, plug it in, plug it in.